Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do filtering against a corporate strategy in Inspire. This is a new feature that allows you to do tags against departments and business units. So looking at my home page here, I'm going to go to corporate strategy. And I have a test strategy here that has 4 categories: finance, customer, process, and learning. And under each one I have objectives, some long-term key results, and some quarterly key results. So as you can see, if I go in to edit any one of these, I have this new area in the center of the screen for adding a tag for a business unit or adding a tag for a department or multiple. And in this case, I have sales. And if you click on the little pencil icon here, you can actually add another department to it if you wanted to. I'm going to take that out just for sake of demo here and save it. And so you'll want to, as you're building your strategy and you're thinking about having certain departments or business units that you want to have aligned to this and filter to it, you can do that as you're building it, or you can go in and be able to edit those pretty easily from what you already have. Same thing with the long term. You also have the same capability in the long-term key results right here. So you can see this one is also sales. So what I'm going to do next is go up to this filter here, and at the top I'm just going to go down and find the sales department and click apply. And now this shows all of the objectives and key results that have sales in the department filter. If I also wanted to bring in another department, I could go over here and say I want to bring in the client success department, apply, and now it's going to show me any OKR that has either client success or sales as a tag. So you can see in this case it brought in coaching. I'm going to go up to the filter, remove sales, and show you just the client success. And then we can further that down by adding a business unit as well. So in this case, these are the 3 client success. And if you go over to the other views like timeline, you can see that the filter still applied for those. And I'm going to go in here and select coaching services, which is a subset of client success. And now I've honed into just the coaching business unit within the client success department. Okay, so clearing the filters is easy. Just go up here and click the little X, hit apply, and you'll be back to your full strategy. One last thing to show you is in reports, we still have our business unit and department filters. And if I go over to, let's say, the strategy snapshot report, when I currently no filters are here. When I apply it, I'll see the full set of objectives and key results with no filters. But if I go back to filter, one thing to keep in mind is that these business unit and department filters still uses the employee attribute instead of the tags in the strategy that I just showed in the previous demo. So we're going to be adding the tags as well, but currently the thing to consider here is if I go down to sales and apply it, instead of looking at the tags on the strategy, it's going to actually look at who's aligned and if they have that attribute in their user file. So in this case, I do have salespeople that are aligned to this. And again, another option that we're currently working on that'll be out soon in the next release, we'll be able to decide if you want to use the tag that's in the strategy or if you want to continue to use the user's attribute file. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.